So today's going to be a quick tip video. Walked in the workshop, looked down and thinking, I've got 2 supers of honey there. So I thought, uh-oh, we've had some fermentation. And then I'm sitting there looking at it, and then I look up. Notice it's running down that bottom board, running out of the entrance to this double 3-frame deep mating nuc that I've got stacked here. And then I remembered I put some frames of honey in there a couple of months ago. Well, probably about a month and a half ago. Well, as you see before I started the video, I started smashing some wax moths larvae. Lost one of my veils. Glad they didn't get my hat. But lost one of my veils. Open it up and there you see the mess. So not only did I lose the honey that was in those frames, but I lost the frames themselves. So the quick tip part is, when you have something like this, deal with it right then. Don't, oh, I'll deal with it in an hour, I'll deal with it in a couple of days, a week, month and a half. Just now getting around to dealing with it. So I will be headed over to Paul's Half Naked Beekeeper to feed his chickens. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to the videos, or subscribe to the videos.